It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, we are going to be getting into this Mayvenn wig, okay? So I do have a link to this wig. It will be in the description bar. But the details for the wig: this is a 16-inch virgin Brazilian deep wave standard lace closure wig, okay? Here I'm just showing you the box and all of the cute details that they put into the packaging. But this is like I said, 16 inches. The color is the natural black color. It looks kind of like a number 2. They did include a black elastic band and the tan kind of silk wig grip. Of course, they included the infamous satin bags and the booklet that tells you how to care for your unit. So this is what the unit looks like, and it is a closure wig, all right? And the closure is 4x4, all right? So here I'm just taking the net off, taking the paper out of the inside, and this is like the natural texture of the unit, all right? So I am going to wash this. I didn't do much plucking, if any. I just probably pulled a few hairs out. So if y'all want to see how I pluck, definitely let me know in the comments so that I can show you all that in the video. Here I'm just showing you the construction of the unit. I do not use the combs, so I will typically remove them, or if I keep them in, I just won't slide them under my hair or anything like that. Another thing with the combs, sometimes when you wash your units with combs, if you do not allow them to dry properly, you can get like rust or like build up and fading on the combs and stuff like that. So I prefer to just take them out, but they do come with combs if that's something that you need. So this is me, okay, and this is the unit after it has been washed. The part was set in there. This is how the curls look after wetting and air drying. I did wash and condition using the Aussie Moist, and now I'm going to cut the lace using my pinking shears. These are not craft scissors. Somebody asked me that before. These are pinking shears. You use them to cut fabric so that it does not fray. If you do not know, I sew, design, all of that good stuff, so that is why I use my pinking shears to cut my lace. A lot of people do the whole zigzag thing. I don't have time for all of that. I just go in with my pinking shears. It already gives you a zigzag, okay? So I put the wig on to see how it was looking, and you can see from the strip around the closure, you could really see it. So what I did was cut a little bit more of that off, and I put a darker color powder on that to kind of camouflage that, and as you can see, it's less noticeable than it was, okay? So definitely use your makeup to your advantage. Black eyeshadow or dark brown eyeshadow can help cover up parts of the lace that you do not want to be seen, as well as going in with a lighter color can help bring the lace out, make the part appear wider and things like that. I still do not pluck my parts. That is just something that at this stage in my life, I just cannot get behind. Once you pull that hair out, it's no putting it back. So I do not pluck my parts. I like the ability to part whatever, and after you pluck a part, I just feel like that's permanent. So if you want that part to be permanent, then you know, and you decide to pluck it, then by all means, that's up to you. So I did go in with the Itz Sirap spritz, and that is what I'm using to lay this wig down. This is my preferred glueless method. When I know I'm coming home and I'm taking the wig off, this is a quick and easy way to apply it. After spraying that spritz, I'm going to go in with the Itz Sirap mousse, and I'm just going to apply that to the baby hair. I love using my products on my wigs because the hold is soft. It doesn't give me a crunchy look if I don't want it to be crunchy. If I wanted hard baby hair, of course I could get that look. If I wanted that look, I would probably go in with some gel or something and then seal that in with the spritz. But doing the spritz and my mousse, that combination gives me like a nice soft look, and you will see how I am able to comb through the baby hair after everything is set, but the wig will still be on. So I'm just going to tie this down with this scarf, and please excuse the faces that I make. When I'm doing my hair, I make all kind of faces because I'm in deep concentration, so just ignore that part. If you are the same way, let me know in the comments if you understand the struggle. All right. So here I'm just tying this scarf around, and I try to get it in the middle, and it always be on the side for some reason. So yeah. But after I tie this on, if it is hanging down too far, I'll just kind of clip it back to get it out of the way. So at this point in my process, this is when I go in with my makeup. Do I do this all the time? No sir, no ma'am, okay? But when I want this look, when I have the time, I do it, okay? So I did my brows and all of that. Typically I would do my brows, my eyeshadow look, all of that, and then I will remove the scarf when it's time for the foundation. So I'm going in with this brow spoolie, and I'm just brushing the baby hair. As you can see, it's not hard and crunchy, it's nice and soft, so you can restyle it, you know, do whatever you want, however you want to do it, okay? I thought about adding some gel, but then I was like, no. I was putting this wig on so that I can do some filming. If I was going outside in this unit, I probably would have added some gel so that the baby hairs wouldn't go anywhere. But I really enjoyed this kind of soft look, and I know a lot of you all like that as well. So at this point, I'm going in with my foundation. If you do not know, I use Mary Kay Cosmetics, so I'm using my Mary Kay foundation in bronze W40, I believe, 140, something like that. I can't remember at the moment. And this is the Mary Kay concealer as well. So I like to apply my unit before my makeup. I feel like the outcome is a lot better. When I do my makeup first and then apply my unit, I may add like maybe some gel or something but I don't tie it down and all of that. Mainly when I do my makeup and then throw my wig on, I don't do anything to it, and that works for me. So don't feel like you always have to glue and gel and spritz. You don't always have to do that, especially if the baby hair is kind of set in the wig. That's not always, you know, a necessity. So here I'm just applying some earrings, and I'm going to take the clips out, and you can see that the look is coming together. And one thing I noticed, I did want the part to kind of pop out a little bit more. So like I said earlier, I'm going to go in with some of that powder that I put on my face to put in the part to make it pop more. Again, I do not pluck the parts, all right? That's something that I just cannot get behind. So here I'm just serving face and everything, you know, looking at the makeup, making sure everything is nice and blended. One thing I like to do when I spray my setting powder, it does make everything blend in nicely. And at this point, I don't think I had applied the setting powder, or setting spray, I'll say, not setting powder. But when you apply that setting spray, it makes all of those powders just kind of settle in together, and everything just looks amazing. So here I'm going in with that powder in the part, and you can see it on camera. That part is just popping out, okay? And this is what I like to do. You don't have to do what I do. This is just what I like to do, okay? And I'm using this little angled makeup brush to do it. You can use a brush like this, maybe a liner brush, any kind of small brush that you can get in that part will be great. You can add it to the lace in between that baby hair as well to kind of tie it all in. So I added a little bit right there. You can also add powder underneath the lace. I do that sometimes when I know that I'm not gonna hold it down with spritz and I just want, you know, the color of that lace to match the color of my makeup. So you do have several options, all right? So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Definitely check out the link to this unit. If you have used Mayvenn hair, let me know in the comments your experience. And always remember to keep God first, family second, and everything else will get in line. And guess what time it is? It's a wrap. I'll see y'all in the next video.
It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey, it's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.